Michoche obi bia de by Emadek TV so nyame enhire obi bia mo ama subscribe to me YouTube channel nyame yam kase mpacho en free Emadek kweli esanse afekra na eba be adwuma di ebe ma wani age wa fili Emadek so wa comment wa share the relationship mu de ebe ba yin ebe ba betena ebe ba be kasa na so de wadwen kire e de aba e WhatsApp number e go screen those things so ene e de na e different thing cry ye ba be share video bi na educate ye ho na etu ye ho fo now also comment our also the abana mabebo ansana masanso akoso the other videos said ba me sure comment dey hia me am famra na me mo mama ansan ye didi atem odo comment ba no wa kire wa adwene e wo videos bi am drop no so wa kire wa adwene na videos no before ansana me video na aba no me pese me kan say sometimes the juba bi na nipa hia mo na say obi pese oboa wa opese wo hwe wa appearance any say ne ye wote enemre wo man gan na mu ye sei ana wi ase sisi ya ye wo mu se uko jim wafuru bu ananse unyam wafuru bu a se ne wankasa hote no ebedinkin a kire se mmoa no sebeka nanse wonsanka se mmoa na wo kwa akwaje no se washata de a ho ofe wa look guy nice na agina ho de na ka me kan okra kire se mmoa no benya bibre bare ko ba na se ho ayefi na atade basa mpabo akra wuni bia sa mmoa no enya ade a wo benya bi na so ke kan okra obi a ono watade hia wa dress shepe ne ade ene ne ono so kura no ho nyina tetede de anka hwan po na ka wo anko hia mo apa eduhwe ye movies na ye hwe na movies no etuyefo ananse nsema movies ne kana ko ebi se obi a ne ho kire no a wutumi se ohia mo a wote kwan a wo sisi kan odi sika no kura be ma no be wie kura no na enipa no mmom no okwa akoye waduru ananse se sa niema no mu potire ye movies bebre na sa niema no movie bi ani wo amia me hwe ya obekese bi enipa no te kwan ho na bi obi aboa no na nipa no wakwa no akodi sa sika na ko yeye na waba no so kura asan abeka enipa no oboa no mpo da bi entan sisa o twere sa movies no kura obi ani wo obehwe what ya say enti asa adwun ye nyini nya sa adwun hye tim se ene na mabonti kro na ehia obi na ote wo kura na ho kire no na ote abonti na osire sika kura ye ne enim se once bi hye botun e de be mo but esuro ye se timu na e din too much ehu ewuye mu enti ene wo hye obi a wabodam wo hye obi a ne ho ayefi no na mabonti na osire obi bi kura na enko akoma se support se nipa no me wan so genuinely those people no bu o kura na ye nso hwe bi na wa ye wo so wa hwe it's a video we atu mi fu bebre am mahu niam bebre na I hope say ye be fa futu afiri ni ehun say sometimes no enye obi a ye benya bibi afiri ho nko na wo se ye boa no ye betumi ayi akomam se ye boa obi wa bra ye hope say ye benya bibi afiri ena se wo hie obi na so wo sere obi bi a sometimes enye obi a na ye nipa bonini ti mum ye nhwe nipa no mo na mo ba be sere na se yakomamu no genuine wo bibi na de support nipa na fa support no onyankopon nti sampase nyankopon bi wo hwa yi na yesom ne dia eni na mo gidie se sa nipa na wo boa no there is no way you betimi aye obone there is no way opa onfa osika no kwa bonten so okwakoye obibi nyame nti enya adwuma etimesere mo ta video we obi a obehwe video ni bia no wonso fa wo comment bra ususu se ede nti na ya adu ba bi e ma nipa ni bi mo yesa adenti na juba bia yi edin se yebebie nsem aboa afoforo ai edenti na da bia expect se benya bibia firi obi ho anse na ya man bibi da wan so hwe video na asembe na wo kan fa video no mmia ko hwe video ni emra ye ba ye be san chance oh punish you
are you okay
hot come beside man. Senior man, well done.
Abba.
I beg, if you just
say this, you did.
I beg, if you just help me carry this thing. See my this thing here. I beg, I dey feel leg pain. I beg.
Leg pain.
Yes, I get leg issues.
Let's do your leg.
I beg.
You just say this rice, no be thief answer.
Me thief rice. Papa, I no resemble thief. Now person give me rice. I just want me to help me based on say I know where for leg.
Me. I don't understand. Make I only me say that. Wow, we really. Guy, do that first. You sure this right now you get that?
Now me get this rice. What did they talk?
I don't trust you for this kind of area. See, as you take daylight, I go light now, go on kill you.
Senior man, I beg.
Maybe say leg they pay you. How you got they near me?
I beg. I need your help. I beg. My leg.
Yeah.
Just.
I want to call security for this guy.
You want call security for me?
I will call security for you.
What did I do?
No.
Eh?
God punish you.
Wait!
God punish you. Ogun won't kill you.
Wait!
I go touch you.
You know my rights now. I know see fam. Please, can you just come and help me carry this? See my house here.
As your what?
Eh?
As your what? I should help you carry it as your what? I don't understand. What's this?
Please, it's just that my leg is paining me. I'm not feeling fine. Please.
So what's my problem with that? Do I even know you? As your maid, Abby? Right?
Mommy, please now. I just need something, Please, man.
Alright. Are you okay? You don't even get money to buy this kind of thing.
So
That's how she talk, blah, blah, blah. She don't come out. On God. But what I know is I'm not a thief. Will I say security man no one even hear me out? Okay, come now. Where it wrong? Go. Alright, let's watch out this and see.
Sorry, well done. Please, I don't know if you can help me. This is my...
What is it?
I'm just tired. If you can help me, just move this thing down there. I'm so tired. My legs are paining me. They're hot.
But I'm going somewhere.
Please, ma, if you just help me, I would appreciate it, please.
Where are you going to?
This is my master's house. He just sent me to buy a bag of rice for you.
Just this place, Abby?
Yes, just this place.
I won't enter.
So after much looking at me, she was like, alright, let me just give it a try. Let me help him.
Okay.
I guess she felt pity for me,
Oh my God! Wow! Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm okay. Just my legs are hot. Come this side, man. So that this car will pass.
Okay.
Yes. Let's just wait for this car to pass. Alright. Camera, come. But this is just a prank video. This is just a prank video.
What kind of prank is that? But I told you I was going somewhere now.
I'm sorry. We just wanted to see people that are nice. It's not easy. We wanted to see people that have... See, your own is even a special one because you are in a hurry. Yeah. Still, you just got to stop and help me. Carry this bag of rice for your head. You're strong, oh.
But this is not nice now. I told you I was going somewhere.
I'm sorry for all the delay, for everything. I'm sorry. But what will happen here is you are going to achieve where you want to go to. You achieve something more than that place.
Amen.
All right. So don't fear. What's your name?
My name is Grace.
Grace. Grace. You have the grace of God. You have found grace.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for helping me to carry this, because now people will get good mind, they help person. You understand? And I don't find people who don't me they help me, they can't they form, they won't even slap me join. But you show me a good heart by carrying this. I don't know you don't know me, but thank you so much. So for that reason, you get food stuff for us.
Not really. You know the way the country is now, so we're just managing.
All right, no problem. Alpha, get me a food stuff. The foodstuffs. Okay, I want to give you this.
Hold on first.
Hold this first.
For me?
Wait first. Wait. No worry. No stress. No. Calm down.
No.
Wait. Chill first now. Wait. Come. Don't worry. Just chill. Chill now. Chill. Okay.
Oh God.
What?
You're wonderful. God just sent you to bless me. Like, are you serious?
Wait. Stand up. Hey, I don't want me person kneel down for me.
Oh my goodness.
Stand up. I don't want anything kneeling down for me. Understand? So how far? Where the money?
I mean, look at that for me.
Relax.
This is the sum of 100,000.
Oh my goodness.
I confirm this one. This guy is very real. I confirm this one.
The video ni na Emadek yakwa kohwe aba no. Nyame adom. Minim say wo hwe video ni wie. Won so wadwen kira so wo de ba no. Why you ready? For adwen kira ne fabra. E wo WhatsApp number no so. Mebo amamansan ye den enya bi ati. Ye obekọ so asan so the more videos e de aba. Me relationship issues bi a amanfo face problems or ma wa wiem ni ade o relationship mo ru a oni nua be man. Sa videos ni nyina so aye ready a. Me drop no 1111. And so hwe a comment bi bia no na o de aba. Madam Asin, I'm in Shamo. Some of us are showing Emadek. You better not share.